Kent Placencia Umaligaya. I am 25 years old and I've been an employee since 2022. My current position in this company that I am working with is I am part of Human Resource Department. So basically my task or responsibilities are recruitment and compensation. I've been working in the Zone company since 2022. From then up until now, I'm still currently employed. So, bakit pa ako naging, o bakit ko pinili yung ganitong industry? Kasi ever since nung bata pa ako, I've always been a huge fan or naku-curious talaga ako kung paano yung process sa loob ng isang company. So, nung college ako, nag-take ako ng course kung saan malaki yung possibility or chance na matatahak ko yung field, which is yung industry field. So that's why I choose HR or Human Resource. Tapos napanindigan ko naman. Siguro my answer would be yung balance, harmony, at saka non-toxic na environment pagdating sa pagtatrabaho, kasi pagka walang balance, walang harmony, or toxic yung environment ng pinagtatrabahuhan mo, as an employee, hihirapan talaga ako ma-fulfill yung mga responsibilities ko. So mahihirapan din ako mag-growth, maghihirapan din mag-growth yung company at the same time. Since yung company na pinagtatrabuhan ko is more of like an accounting firm, so siguro my company would contribute a lot in terms of tax at iba pang mga bagay like service, kasi sa company namin nag-entertain kami ng mga maintenance. So yung mga kababayan natin na naghahanap ng trabaho na skill when it comes to let's say repair sa building or mga ganung mga bagay. So ayun, and then sa tax of course, nagbabayad tayo ng buwis, ayun, at nakakatulong talaga siya sa municipality. And first, I won't consider myself as successful, but if you would ask me, siguro perseverance and strong heart, will, and mind. Kasi kapag mahina yung loob mo, hindi tayo risk taker, at hindi tayo mag-step out sa ating comfort zone, hindi natin mararating yung ating mga pangarap, at hindi natin for me, being an employee kasi, it's like a roller coaster ride. So, may mga panahon na yung mahirap, may panahon naman na parang medyo madadalian ka, and so on and so forth. So, I can say naman na masaya ako sa aking trabaho, masaya ako sa aking pinagtatrabahuan, at masaya ako sa aking employer because just like I said earlier na kapag merong balance, harmony sa pinagtatrabahuan mo at hindi toxic yung place, mapapadali yung pagtatrabaho mo, parang ma-enjoy mo siya somehow. Tapos everyday may matututunan ka, and yung mga natututunan mo, pwede mo siyang dalahin, o pwede mo siyang pagyamanin pa hanggang sa matapos mo yung journey mo.